Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Haverstock, and we are reviewing Chapter 4, Lessons 4 and 5 that we worked on in class today. Today, I just want to remind you of our step processes that we use in order to help us adjust our quotients and thinking to solve larger division problems. So, for instance, in class today, when we had a problem that had double-digit divisors and a very large dividend, our first thing that we did is we went and estimated. Right? We estimated, then divided, and then checked our answer. So let's try that process right now. I'm going to estimate 72 would be closest to 70. And then I'm going to think about this number as a multiple of 7. So I'm thinking about the number 17, right? Gee, 7 into 17, well, let's see, I could do times 2 would be 14, times 3 would be 21. I suppose either one would work. I'm going to start with the 3, so we'll do 21. Then I've got these two spaces left, right? Two place values. It's not 70 into 21. I have to provide those places, so we know it's 70 into 2,100. I'm thinking about that again, and now I'm going to do a quick solve. So I'm going to do 7 into 21 is 3, and I balance out my zeros, seeing that I have 1 0 left. My estimated answer is 30. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve that for an actual number. I'll use 72 into 1,728. Thinking about that, 72 does not go into 1. It does not go into 17. It would go into 172 though, so now I've got to think about how many times. Using my side work, I'm going to borrow my estimate number of 3, and I'm going to think 72 times 3. That's why I estimate, to use that thinking. So 72 times 3 ends up being 216. Well, that's too big. So now I can adjust, that's this word here, adjust my thinking. That's too big, so I'm going to try again with my side work and say 72 times 2. I come up with 144. That will work. I place my 2 over my third digit. Remember, this is 3 digits long, so I have to go the third digit in. Place my 2, and then I can say 72 times 2 is 144. Subtract. I get 28. Check. Is 28 less than 72? Yep. So now I can continue and bring down. Again, 72 into 288. I'm going to estimate now. I'm thinking to myself, okay, I said 72 is closest to 70. What would I now think 288 would be as a multiple of 7? Oh, I know. 7 goes into 28. So I'm going to try and do 72 times 4 off in my sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and think about that. Multiply. What? This is awesome. 72 times 4 is 288. That's exactly what I'm looking for. My estimation really helped. So 72 times 4 is 288. Subtract and get 0. There's nothing more to bring down. This is my answer. So now that I'm thinking, okay, this is my answer, I have to check it. One last time, I'm going to actually use this small space over here and do 72 times 24. That gives me an 882 place value. 4 and a 14. Got to add it up. 8, 12, 6, 7, and a 1. Yes, I did it. So there's our answer, 1,728. The actual answer is 24. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple problems. If you could copy down these problems. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you could just copy down these problems and solve them in your Math Spiral notebook, then turn the video back on and check your answers. Remember to pause the video after you copy them down. All right, so I hope that you have worked hard and solved both of these problems. Our final answers are 42 remainder 24 and 66 remainder 300. Oop, that probably doesn't look very good. 378. So thanks for practicing. Practice makes us get better. Practice helps us think more clearly. So do your best to practice tonight, and I'll see you back in class tomorrow. Thanks so much.